wa Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro noritie atongoria a Kilifi gukorwo makirumirira mawatho ma wabici makorwo magitungatira muingi. Gideon aritie thutha wake ukorwo gicaina kandarathi imwe ya uthii wa nambere na aruti a wira. Oho niongereire na kuga otoria muingi wina matanya manene hari thirikari yake noguo meguthie na mbere gukorwo magitungatira na kuhingia matanya mao. Nake munini wake Flora Chebule noritie atongoria matikagikorwo makihuthira indo cia muingi na njira ya ungumania ende makorwo na wihokeku.
I want to remind you that these contracts are not an end in themselves. So as you celebrate the signing of your performance contract today, remember that my expectation is to see improvement in the way we serve the people of Kilifi. My presence in this year is a clear demonstration of my dedication to transform the working culture of Kilifi County Public Service from its current state to a more responsive and result-oriented culture. While I take pride in being the first county in Kenya to sign performance contracts, I will be more glad through this process to be ranked the best performing county overall. To ensure that we remain on track, I have directed that a structure be put in place to ensure there is close monitoring and evaluation of the performance management system. I expect to receive timely quarterly reports. There will be also external evaluation of your performance. At the end of the year, a comprehensive assessment will be done to determine and rank both departmental and individual employee performances.
Up the challenge, Your Excellency. We are going to negotiate a contract with the delivery unit in your office, and I want to promise in the next 7 days we will sign a contract with them. The Directorate of Enforcement, the head is here. We will also negotiate a contract with them. We also expect, Your Excellency, that the chief officers in the next 7 days will also sign contracts with their directors.